Hey, there's a queue here.
Police? Yes, they stolen my lunch.
Quick, catch him. That one's got away with the sandwiches. Well done, guys. You got the whole gang. Looks like they didn't manage to open the lunchbox. Put the lunchbox on the shelf. We'll get the keys from the bank manager. Hands up. The lunch is going back to its rightful owner.